Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung device. So you'll need to know how to do this if you're sending a phone off to us which you are selling. So I'm going to turn the camera around now and go through all the steps with you. So firstly you want to click on the apps folder and then you want to go to settings. Then you just want to scroll down this page and you want to click General Management. Then you want to click where it says Reset. And the one you want to choose is Factory Data Reset, which will clear everything off the phone for you. And then it just tells you everything that will be erased from the device, but you want to scroll down and just press Reset Device. Now it might be quite a long process, obviously it needs to erase everything off the phone, but you will know that it's completed when your phone turns off and back on again, and then it should come up with a page which is like a welcome page, which is what you would see if you were about to set up a brand new phone. So that's how to reset your Samsung device. I hope this video is helpful, and if you do have any further questions, just comment them down below. Thanks for watching.